Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly create custom callout blocks in Notion, using a clever shortcut that'll save you time and keep your workspace looking sharp. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a reusable button so you never have to manually recreate your favorite custom callout ever again. Let's dive in and make Notion work smarter for you. All right, let's get started. Instead of making the same fancy callout block again and again, Notion actually lets you create a button that can drop your custom creation anywhere you need, almost like having a magic stamp for your best ideas. This is perfect for anyone who loves keeping their pages informative or eye-catching, but doesn't want to waste time on repetitive formatting. First, move to the spot in your Notion page where you want the button to live. Type #button, and you'll see Notion's menu pop up with an option called Create a Button. Go ahead, click that. This little tool is going to be our shortcut for building callouts fast. Now, you'll see an area to set up your button's actions. Under Actions, choose Insert Block. This basically tells Notion what you want your button to build for you when you click it later. In the text box that appears, type #callout. That will bring up Notion's callout block, a neat highlighted square that's perfect for grabbing attention, sharing a tip, or adding a splash of color to your notes. Here's where you can really get creative. First, choose an icon for your callout, a little emoji or a symbol that matches the vibe of the message you're sharing. Maybe it's a light bulb for an idea, a star for something important, or just a fun emoji that fits your style. Icons help your callouts stand out and make them much easier to spot when you're scrolling through a busy page. Next, let's change up that background color. Notion gives you several options, so try out a few and pick one that feels right. Warm tones can add energy, cool tones can feel soothing. It's sort of like giving each note its own personality. Color coding can also help you organize different types of reminders, tips, or insights as you fill your pages. Now, time to add your headline or tagline. This is what the callout will say every time you hit that button. Maybe you want it to say Quick Tip at the top, or maybe Important Reminder. Whatever phrase helps you work faster. The beauty of setting this up now is you won't have to rewrite it. You'll get the same, perfectly formatted callout every single time you need it. Once you're happy with how everything looks, the icon, the color, your custom text, click that Done button. You just saved yourself a ton of future effort. Now, the next time you want to drop in your special callout, just tap the button you created, and Notion will instantly make a copy in a single click. It's almost like having your own personal template, ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. And there you have it. No more manually building the same blocks, no more fussing with colors and headlines every time. Just a smooth, speedy workflow that helps you focus on your ideas. If you run into any glitches, don't worry. Notion's interface can take a minute to get used to, and you can always tweak your button or callout later. If this tip made your workspace a little easier and brighter, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions about customizing Notion or want to share your own favorite use for callout blocks, drop me a comment below. For more quick, practical tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on time-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.